Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you not Steven Universe because I've been posting too many Steven Universe videos and I just want to do something off topic. But I will keep on doing. So today I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go. So what you're going to need is thos, which is in the Play Store, and Pokemon Go, of course, in the Play Store. So I did not sign in or anything. It's new. So what you're going to need to do is after you install thos that's in the Play Store, go to thos, you go to settings, and this is the tricky part here. You're really going to have to go to your settings, go to systems, and about device, and press this build number 7 times. Yeah, or just rapid spam it a lot so you can open developer mode, because that's the only way you can open it. So what you're going to have to do is you go to developer options. You're going to turn developer mode on. Okay. We go all the way to mock locations. We put fly GPS. And as you can see, we mock the locations because mocking means tricking or something like that. So what you do is, I don't know, you can go anywhere. I mean, you can go Miami. Oh, shoot. Miami. I do not know what this is. Like, this is probably in China. South Korea. Wow. And just, like, do that. Go to the United States of America. Go to Florida here. Keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. I don't know. Orlando. Tampa. Pokemons are usually around here. The good ones. So what you do then, you can just do that. Press the selected menu. And then put GPS run. Service run. Put JoyStick location Pokemon. If you can see Pokemon. Guys, if I'm going too fast, you can just rewind the video and check and just see what I'm doing. So we go here. Mark locations again. Okay. So once we turn that on, you have to turn a whole bunch of things on. Go here, GPS run, Pokemon. And it says like tip and all that Chinese stuff. But we go to Pokemon Go. As you can see, we have our little... You can move this if you want. And as you can see, we have our joystick down here. So I'm just gonna sign in like that into my account. I have another account I might give away, I'm not sure. Man, this is taking so long. Pokemon Company. Pokemon is getting really popular. Whoever made the app is probably winning millions. Not millions, billions. Because if you go on the Play Store, it says like 100 million downloads, and each download's like $1,000. Okay, here we go. And just put a random date, June 7th. Just put to 2000, because normally somebody can just sign up with Google. Here we go. So you can do that. You can just walk around. Just start finding Pokemons, you know. And I'm not walking, as you can see, I'm moving it with this. Yeah, that's sad sometimes, because some people are updating. I'm not walking because people cannot go this fast. So you're running. Alright. I'll try now. So you do that. Man, another Pokestop over here. Too far. Just randomly, mostly Pokemon, Pokeballs. Yeah, I do have to. And I could just walk in and sound sweet. Cause if you're really lazy and you just don't want to walk, you can always do this. So hope this tutorial helped you guys, and I'll catch you guys later.